Welcome back, children. Today we are going to study the future tense. Okay, so we already finished the other tenses, that is present, past, and now we are going to study the future tense. And in the subdivisions we finished with simple present tense, present continuous tense and simple past tense. Now it is simple future tense. First we will see what simple future tense is and the format of that. Okay. So a simple future tense tells us about the actions that are going to happen in future. Okay. So the actions that are going to happen in future, to express that we use the simple future tense. And what is the format of using simple future tense? How can we make simple future tense? That is also very simple. In future tense, simple future tense, what we do is we use will or shall plus original form of the verb. Okay, will or shall plus verb is used to make simple future tense. And in the use of will and shall, will can be used with any subject. With any subject, singular or plural or male or female, whatever, I or you or we, whatever we use, we can use will. Okay, that is she will go to school tomorrow. Will plus verb go, the original form. We don't say goes, she will goes or she will going. No. So, will plus the original form of the verb is used to make simple future tense. And shall also, but the shall is used only when the subject is I or we. When the subject is I or we only we use shall. With all other subjects we use will plus verb. Okay, will plus verb. But if the subject is I or we can use shall plus verb. It will be more clear when we do the exercises. I hope we can start with the exercise 1 in page number 62. In page number 62 you have an exercise to fill in the blanks with simple future form of the verbs. You have to use the simple future form of the verbs. That is first one. The brackets, in the brackets what is given is the verbs. Original form of the verb is given. We have to change to simple future tense by adding will or shall to these. Okay, the first one is already written. The potters will carry the bags. Carry, you have to add will plus verb. Will carry the bags. The second one is the bus dash at 3:40 p.m. It's given arrive. So what will you do? Yes, you have to add will arrive. Will arrive at 3:40 p.m. Will plus verb we are adding. Third one, Jane dash a letter to me. Jane, yes, will write. Will write a letter to me. Will plus write. And the fourth one, see, here the subject is we. So with I and we can use shall. We dash the station by 4 p.m. We shall reach. Okay, we shall reach. But with we, if you use will, that is not wrong. Will can be used with I and we also. But more correctly, when we write, shall is used only with I and we. Is it clear? So, we shall reach the station by 4 p.m. Then, Ram, another one, Ram dash me his book in the evening. Yes, will give. Ram will give me his book in the evening. Sixth one, they dash the shop at 9 p.m. They, yes, will close. They will close the shop at 9 p.m. Seventh one, Rita dash at the cultural event. Yes, Rita will sing. Will plus original form of the word. We don't say sings or closes or anything. It is the original form of the verb that we have to use. I hope it's clear to you. Okay. So, in the next page, page number 63, again we have another exercise to change the tense of the verbs to form simple future tense. Already it is given in in present tense. You have to change it and write in simple future form. Vijay, it is given, already given, Vijay plays the guitar. Plays, that is present tense. You have to change into future tense. So, you have to add will or shall to the verb. So, Vijay will play the guitar. Then next one, my brother, yes, books my ticket is given. Books, because brother is singular. You remember the present, simple present tense? No. My brother books is given. How will you change it? Yeah, will book my ticket. Okay, will book. There is no need of books again. So, when we use the simple future tense, all are original form of the verbs that you have to use. My brother will book my ticket. Then third one, the carpenter, yes, it's given, makes wooden furniture. The carpenter will make, no makes, will make wooden furniture. Then fourth one, we is given, we is the subject. So, here it is given, we learn French on weekdays. So, since the subject is we can use shall. We shall learn French on weekdays. Fifth one, I help my mother in the kitchen. That's given, you have to change into future tense. Since the subject is we can use shall. I shall help my mother in the kitchen. Then sixth one, again I is the subject. So, I complete my classwork before others. So, what will you do? I shall complete, shall plus verb, my classwork before others. And the seventh one, that is Sita goes for a morning walk. Sita will go, no goes. Okay, Sita will go for a morning walk. Is it clear? So, what only thing that you have to remember in simple future tenses, use will or shall plus original form of the verb. If the subject is I and we, I or we have to use shall plus verb. With all other subjects, we use will plus verb. I hope it's clear. Now, we have one more exercise, that is to complete the sentence by changing the verbs into future tense. Another one small example is that also we will finish now. That is, in the brackets the verbs are given, you have to change into simple future tense. It dash tomorrow, rain is given. So, it will rain, it will rain tomorrow. Second one, my dad dash a boat, craft. My dad will craft a boat. Then third one is given, serve. Since the subject is we use shall. We shall serve lunch at 12:30. Okay, PM or you have to write the PM. Okay, we shall serve lunch at 12:30 PM. Then fourth one, Emma dash up the mountain. Hike is given. So, Emma will hike up the mountain. And the last one is Paul dash the piano at the concert. Play is given. Paul will play the piano at the concert. I hope it's clear to you. The use of future tense. Simple future tense, you have to use will or shall plus verb, the original form of verb. That's it, the tenses. Now we shall have a revision of the tenses once again, that is simple present tense. What was the format of simple present tense? Simple present tense format was subject singular, verb plus s or es. Okay, and the subject is plural. You have to use the verb as such. That was the format of simple present tense. Okay, this format you should know these formats. You should by heart this. Okay, and in present continuous tense, what was the format? Is, are, am plus verb plus ing. This was the format. Is, are, am plus verb plus ing. Is used when the subject is singular. Are is used when the subject is plural, and with I we always use am. Remember, that was present continuous tense. And what was simple past tense? Simple past tense was very simple. Just use the past form of verb. Use the past form of the verb. And what was the format for simple future tense? Simple future tense, the format was, you have to use will or shall plus original verb, with original form of the verb. That was the format. I hope it's clear to you, the verbs. So, once again, all of you please do your worksheets, complete the worksheets and study. Okay, see you children. Bye.